Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering what you need: admin login, hosting access, and the analytics account for the property. Add the tracking snippet or tag manager into the site header. This is the first actionable step. Do it now. Once the tag is live, verify with a real-time tool to confirm hits. Make sure time zones and currency are correct, because reporting logic depends on them. You'll also toggle data sharing and privacy settings, so the data you collect is usable and compliant. Once done with installation, you configure what matters. Create conversion goals and event tracking for clicks, form fills, and downloads. Then build views and filters. Exclude internal IPs and known bots so your data stays clean. Make segments for traffic sources and user types to compare behavior. Connect Search Console and ad platforms to attribute organic and paid traffic. Finally, enable e-commerce or enhanced measurement if applicable. This ties revenue to sessions and lets you judge true performance. You finish by creating dashboards and scheduled reports that highlight acquisition, behavior, and conversion, so stakeholders get immediate answers. Use real-time and historical tabs to validate events and funnels. Compare cohorts to spot anomalies. If data is missing, check tag firing with developer tools and tag manager preview, then inspect network logs for 204 or blocked requests. Make sure consent banners aren't blocking scripts and that filters aren't excluding legitimate traffic. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most gaps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.